The Audi R8 Typ 4S, introduced in 2015, brings together raw performance, sleek styling, and cutting-edge technology. As an Audi enthusiast or owner, you're probably familiar with how this car offers thrilling driving experiences, thanks to its V10 engine and precision engineering. However, no matter how refined a vehicle is, it's not immune to a few issues here and there. If you own an Audi R8 Typ 4S or are planning to buy one, it's essential to understand the common problems that can arise and how to address them. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 common issues with the Audi R8 Typ 4S 2015 present and how to troubleshoot and fix them. Let's get started. 10. Fuel pump failures. Fuel pump issues can cause several performance problems in the Audi R8 Typ 4S, from stalling to difficulty starting the engine. Although it's not an issue everyone will face, it's something to be aware of as the fuel pump ages. A malfunctioning fuel pump may fail to provide adequate fuel pressure, leading to engine misfires, rough idle, and hesitation during acceleration. If your Audi R8 shows signs of fuel pump failure, the first step is to run a fuel pressure test. If the fuel pressure is too low or irregular, the fuel pump should be inspected and replaced if needed. Additionally, the fuel pressure sensor may also be the culprit and could need replacing. Regular maintenance, such as changing the fuel filter and using high-quality fuel, can help avoid premature pump failure. 9. Carbon buildup in the intake valves. As with most performance cars, the Audi R8 Typ 4S faces the issue of carbon buildup in the intake valves, especially because it uses direct fuel injection. Over time, carbon deposits accumulate on the intake valves, leading to poor engine performance, reduced fuel efficiency, rough idling, and power loss. The best way to tackle carbon buildup is through periodic cleaning. A popular method for cleaning intake valves is walnut blasting, which removes carbon deposits effectively. Regularly maintaining your vehicle, using high-quality fuel, and getting periodic inspections can help reduce carbon buildup and keep your R8 running smoothly. 8. Air suspension problems. The air suspension system in the Audi R8 Typ 4S is designed to improve comfort and handling, especially in a performance vehicle. However, this complex system is prone to issues like sagging, uneven ride height, or air compressor failure. A faulty air suspension can compromise the driving experience, leading to a less stable ride and handling. If you notice your R8 sagging or showing an uneven ride height, the air suspension system needs to be inspected. Common causes of suspension issues include damaged airbags or a faulty compressor. If repairs are needed, consider replacing the damaged components, such as the airbags or compressor, and ensure the system is properly calibrated. 7. Transmission jerking or delays. The Audi R8 Typ 4S comes with a dual-clutch transmission (DCT) that provides seamless shifts in most situations. However, some owners have reported issues such as jerking, hesitation, or delays when shifting gears. This issue can be linked to low transmission fluid, dirty fluid, or a malfunctioning transmission control unit (TCU). If you experience transmission jerking or hesitation, start by checking the transmission fluid level and condition. Low or dirty fluid can affect the smoothness of gear shifts, so a fluid change may be necessary. Make sure to follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule for transmission fluid changes to prevent these problems. 6. Electrical issues. With the Audi R8 Typ 4S being packed with advanced electronics, owners may occasionally run into electrical issues. Common problems include malfunctioning infotainment systems, problems with the lighting system, or failure of various electronic components, such as sensors, wiring, or control modules. If you experience electrical glitches, the first step is to check for blown fuses or loose wiring connections. If it's a software-related issue, a system reset or update may resolve the problem. In some cases, the electrical system may require professional diagnosis, particularly if it's related to more complex issues, such as a malfunctioning control module. Regular software updates from Audi can help keep your system running smoothly. 5. Engine overheating. Engine overheating, though uncommon, is another potential issue for the Audi R8 Typ 4S. As a high-performance car, the engine can heat up significantly, especially when driven aggressively or on track days. Causes of overheating may include low coolant levels, a malfunctioning radiator, or a failing thermostat. To prevent engine overheating, regularly check and maintain the coolant levels within the recommended range. If the engine begins to overheat, inspect the radiator for any leaks and ensure that the cooling fans are working correctly. Replacing a faulty thermostat can prevent overheating issues. 4. Brake issues. The brakes on the Audi R8 Typ 4S are high-performance components, but they are susceptible to wear, especially with aggressive driving. Some owners report brake squeal, uneven braking, or reduced braking power. These issues may arise from worn-out brake pads, damaged rotors, or issues with the brake calipers. Regularly inspect your brake pads and rotors for wear. Replacing worn brake pads and resurfacing or replacing damaged rotors can restore optimal braking performance. Brake fluid should also be changed regularly to maintain proper braking force. 3. Exhaust leaks. Exhaust leaks in the Audi R8 Typ 4S can cause a noticeable reduction in engine performance, as well as an unpleasant smell or noise from the exhaust system. These leaks can occur due to cracks in the exhaust manifold or damaged seals around the exhaust pipes. If you suspect an exhaust leak, have the exhaust system inspected for any visible cracks or damaged seals. Exhaust leaks can lead to increased emissions or loss of power, so it's important to address them promptly. Replacing damaged components, such as exhaust seals or manifolds, will resolve the issue and restore optimal engine performance. 2. Tire wear. Given the performance capabilities of the Audi R8 Typ 4S, tire wear can be a common issue, especially with aggressive driving. Uneven tire wear can occur due to alignment problems, worn suspension components, or improper tire pressure. This can affect the handling and safety of the car. Regularly inspect the tire tread for signs of uneven wear. If your tires are wearing unevenly, it could indicate that the alignment or suspension needs adjustment. Ensure that your tire pressure is maintained at the recommended level. Keeping up with tire rotations and maintaining proper alignment will help extend tire life and improve handling. 1. Power steering failures. The Audi R8 Typ 4S uses an electromechanical power steering system, which offers excellent precision. However, some owners have reported issues with power steering failure, such as difficulty steering or a loss of steering assistance. This can be caused by a faulty steering pump or electrical issues. If you experience difficulty steering or a loss of power steering assistance, check the steering fluid levels and inspect the power steering pump for any malfunctions. A malfunctioning electric motor or pump may need to be replaced to restore proper steering function. Regularly maintaining the power steering system, including fluid checks, can help prevent failures and improve overall handling. The Audi R8 Typ 4S is a stunning high-performance sports car that blends luxury with extreme capabilities. However, like any vehicle, it's important to stay on top of maintenance and address common issues before they become costly problems. Whether it's fuel pump failure, carbon buildup, or electrical glitches, understanding these common issues will help you maintain your Audi R8 in top condition. By staying proactive with maintenance and addressing these issues early, you can ensure that your Audi R8 Typ 4S continues to perform at its best for years to come. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more expert tips and advice on luxury cars and performance vehicles. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.